Hi, so Darren at Smashgard here. Just to let you know, this is a small video to show you how to measure your conservatory if you want a film installed on your conservatory roof. Firstly, we need to know whether it's glass or polycarbonate, which is plastic. And the way you can tell that is by looking up. And if you can see the clouds clearly and the sky, and it's glass. If it's slightly frosted and it's got ridges in each panel, then that will be polycarbonate. We also need to know how many panes there are, so you just need to do a quick count up and see how many panes are on the roof. And in this case, it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So on the form you put 13 panes. And then to measure the actual roof, so the conservatory, so we can give you a price. We don't want you balancing on ladders. No, we don't want any of that. So just get your tape measure. And then we need the width of the conservatory. So that's from left to right. So you would measure across from the floor. So just put the tape measure on the floor and measure all the way across. And then from left to right, that's the width of the conservatory. And then when we want the depth, you would measure it from the house wall out towards the garden. And again, just measuring it on the floor. And in this case, it's a 2.8. So so that's the measurement of the conservatory. So we want the width, the depth, the type of roof it is, glass or polycarbonate, and how many panes. Easy as that, no balancing on ladders, nice and easy. Thank you.